Once upon a time, in a cozy little village nestled amidst rolling hills and vibrant meadows, there lived a young boy named Alex. With his twinkling eyes and curious mind, Alex was always seeking out new adventures and exploring the wonders of the world around him. One crisp autumn evening, as Alex gazed up at the star-studded sky, he spotted a shooting star streaking across the heavens. Its luminous tail blazed a trail of light, disappearing into the inky depths of space. Alex's heart pounded with excitement as he remembered an old legend his grandmother had once told him, a tale of a magic wishing star that could grant any desire. Without hesitation, Alex made a wish, hoping with all his might that the magic wishing star would hear his plea. He wished for a loyal companion, a furry friend to share his adventures and bring joy into his life. As the days turned into weeks, Alex almost forgot about his wish. He continued his explorations, venturing into the nearby woods, climbing towering trees, and discovering hidden streams. But deep down, a flicker of hope remained, a belief that the magic wishing star might just make his dream come true. One sunny afternoon, while wandering through a secluded clearing in the woods, Alex stumbled upon a small, scruffy puppy. The puppy was shivering and alone, its ears filled with sadness. Alex's heart melted at the sight, and he immediately scooped up the trembling creature, cradling it gently in his arms. The puppy, sensing Alex's kindness, nuzzled against him, its tail wagging weakly. Alex knew in that moment that this was the companion he had wished for. He named the puppy Scout, and from that day on, they were inseparable. Alex and Scout embarked on countless adventures together. They explored the hidden corners of the village, discovered secret trails deep within the woods, and even climbed to the top of the tallest hill, overlooking the sprawling countryside below. Scout became Alex's confidant, his best friend, and his partner in crime. They shared laughter and tears, moments of joy and moments of fear, and through it all, their bond grew stronger, a testament to the power of friendship and the magic of wishing stars.